Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring access. Sign into the Google account that owns the analytics property because permissions determine available data. Once done, enable the Google Analytics API in Google Cloud and create OAuth client credentials. This gives Power BI a secure way to authenticate. Next, open Power BI Desktop and check for updates. Make sure you're on a recent build so the connector behaves correctly. These steps set up authentication and tooling, so you can fetch reports without permission errors. In Power BI, choose Get Data and pick the Google Analytics connector, then authenticate using the OAuth credentials you prepared. After authentication, you'll see Account, Property, and View. Select the view that contains the data you need. Make careful choices of dimensions and metrics. For example, sessions and source medium together give traffic context. If the GUI is limiting, switch to custom queries to request specific date ranges or segments. This step pulls the exact tables you'll transform and visualize. Once data loads, use Power Query to clean. Rename fields, set data types, and aggregate as needed. This helps visuals render correctly. Then build charts, sessions over time, channels, conversion rates, and configure refresh. If you want scheduled refresh, install and register a gateway or use cloud-hosted datasets. If something goes wrong, check view permissions, OAuth token validity, and API quota limits. These are the usual causes of missing rows. If necessary, re-authenticate and rerun the query to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.